What's up everybody, my name is Adam Smalley and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your blinker on the e46 BMW. Let's get into it. So to replace your blinker, all you gotta do is open your hood, take out a screw, and then pull the blinker out, put the bulb in. To open your hood, all you do is come down, pull this lever, and the front of your hood will pop out this little latch. Pull it open, and come over to this section right here, and we'll get into this. So to pull out the actual blinker, you come in here, take this screw, loosen it up. Alright, so now it's loose, but you don't have to pull it all the way out. And then what you do is come right here, pull this out. Then so to disconnect, you just pull out the plug really. Alright, so now we got the plug undone, or you take the assembly, put it over here. Easy enough. And you take this guy out. You're gonna see in the car like that. Take it, you twist it, and you just pull it out. There's the bulb. It looks a little burnt. I don't know why it happened, but yep. So the bulbs needed for this are the 7506s. I just get these at the local auto parts store, so I got mine from O'Reilly's. So they come in 2 packs, so you can replace both of them. All I need to replace one, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So to get the bulb out of here, all you do is push it in a little bit. You twist and you pull it out, and that can go in the trash. And you open up your new pack, pull out the bulb like that, take your piece and you just line it up, push it in, twist and release. Now it's stuck in there. Very nice, very easy. Now what you do is you put it back in this guy, you just line it up where you pulled it out. So you can tell on this, there's these little tabs right here, and those line up on this guy. You can see those little tabs right in there. So you take it, and you line up the tabs like that, so it goes from that in, twist until it stops. So it locks it in, so now you can't pull it out. All right, that was simple, easy. Now we gotta do, take it, you gotta plug it back in. This bulb is really easy to plug back in. So you see how that one corner has a corner piece on it, so it's not fully rounded. Same thing with the plug. It's all round except for that one corner. And that you line up with this. Goes in like that. Got it plugged in now. Then we line this tab right here, right there with where we unscrewed it. See, it fits right in there, and then you screw that back down, and then it'll tighten this back in place. You can look from the top, make sure we got this going back into place. So you see that little tab, push it right back in. And this lines up with this little tab, and then down here we have one as well. So make sure you line them both back up, or all 3 of them really. And it should slide right back into place. Be flush with this surface and fit evenly into here. So you push it back in, make sure it's snug. Then you take the screwdriver right back in here, just a Phillips head, tighten it back down. Tight, okay. Make sure you're tight still, can't get it back out. It's tight, it's nice. So now the last step we have to do, we gotta make sure it works. Alright, so I went in my car, turned on the headlights, and then your side markers turn on. So as you can see, it is now working. This side is already working. That's it. Alright, that's how you change your blinker bulb out on your e46 BMW. Super easy, super simple. That's why I love these cars. Everything you do on them is pretty simple in the most part. You can get most maintenance pieces like that at your local auto parts store. So yeah, so leave a like if this helped you out. Leave a comment if you want me to do some more stuff on the car. But other than that, have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.